Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about staffing and its sub-functions, as well as I am also going to talk about human resource planning and recruitment procedures. Staffing is the process of hiring the eligible candidates in the organization for a specific position or particular post by judging their skills and knowledge. It is a separate management function. In modern enterprises, every medium and large organizations have a separate department known as personnel department or human resource department, which perform staffing functions. While separate departments exist for this, but still every manager is engaged in performing the staffing function by participating in selection, training, and evaluation of their subordinates. Staffing is a pervasive function which have following sub-functions. First, human resource planning or manpower planning. Second, recruitment. Third, selection of the best qualified from those who seek job. Fourth, training and development. Fifth and last sub-function of staffing is performance appraisal, that means evaluation and monitoring, and compensation. Human resource planning is the first step or function in the human resource management process, and it is also first sub-function of a staffing function. Human resource planning is the process by which an organization ensures that it has the right number and kind of people at the right place at the right time and capable of completing those tasks that will help the organization in achieving its overall objectives. Human resource planning is also known by other names such as manpower planning, employment planning, labor planning, and personnel planning. Human resource planning is the responsibility of both the line and the staff manager. Every line manager is responsible for planning manpower of the respective department, and the top management is responsible for the planning of resources for the entire organization. The personnel department supplies relevant information and data to all the line managers and helps them regarding interdepartmental transfers, promotions, and demotions. Personnel department also helps in using the techniques and forecasting the manpower requirement. The management at the top may appoint a committee consisting of heads of department, and the committee further helps the management in executing the programs of corrections. The main objectives of human resource planning are to assess human resources need in future, to create a highly talented workforce in the organization, to manage the challenges in the organization due to modernization and technology upgradation, to facilitate the realization of organization's objectives by providing right number and right types of personnel, to determine the future skill requirement of the organization, to provide information to top management about present status and future needs of employees, and to determine the training and development needs of employees. Recruitment is the second sub-function of staffing function. It is the process of identifying the sources for future candidates and to stimulate them to apply for the jobs. It is a linking activity that brings together those offering jobs and those seeking jobs. In other words, recruitment or hiring is the process of searching and attracting the right candidates for vacant jobs in an organization. The purpose of the recruitment process is to find talented and qualified individuals for the growth and development of their organization. It is a part of the Human Resource Management Department. The various sources of recruitment are divided into two categories: internal sources and external sources. Internal sources involves transfer and promotion, while external sources involves recruitment through unsolicited applications, direct recruitment, recruitment through advertising, recruitment through employment agencies, recruitment through educational institutions, recruitment through labor contractor, and recruitment through recommendations. Recruitment procedure involves following steps. First step is to identify the vacant post in the organization. Second step is to publish advertisement about vacancies through different medium like employment exchange newspaper and placement agencies. Third step is to manage the response of interested candidate. Fourth step is to conduct preliminary interview. Fifth step is to conduct final interview. Next step is to conduct medical examination. And last step is, after medical examination, to appoint selected candidate for the particular position in the organization.